Today we're going to talk about two tiny but mighty superfoods that have taken over the health world, flax seeds and chia seeds. You've probably seen them in smoothies, energy bars, or maybe sprinkled over your morning oatmeal. But if you've ever wondered, which one is better? Well, it's not that simple. Both are nutritional powerhouses, but they bring different strengths to the table. So, let's break it down: flax versus chia, which one wins? Flax seeds have been around for thousands of years. We're talking ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia levels of history. People used them for their fiber, oil, and even fabric. But today, we know flax seeds for one major reason: omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are tiny, oval-shaped seeds with a shiny, hard outer coating known as the seed coat or hull. This shell is composed mainly of insoluble fiber and lignins, which help protect the seed in nature. While beneficial for digestive health, this outer shell is very difficult for the human digestive system to break down when eaten whole. If you consume flax seeds without grinding, they'll mostly pass through your gastrointestinal tract undigested. This means your body won't absorb most of their nutrients. Flax seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that supports heart health, brain function, and reduces inflammation. If you don't eat a lot of fish, flax seeds can be an amazing way to get some of that healthy fat into your diet. And let's not forget lignins. These plant compounds are crazy good for hormone balance. Women especially may benefit from them because they help regulate estrogen levels, which could mean fewer hormonal swings and even some protection against certain cancers. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are like tiny water-absorbing sponges. You drop them in liquid, and boom, gel-like magic happens. That's because they can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water. This makes them fantastic for hydration and keeping you full for longer. They're also a fiber bomb. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds packs almost 10 grams of fiber. That's nearly 40% of your daily needs in one serving. This means better digestion, less bloating, and a happy gut. And unlike flax, you don't have to grind them. Your body can break them down as is, making them super convenient to toss into anything: smoothies, yogurt, or even just water with lemon. Which one is more nutritious? They both sound pretty amazing, but let's compare their strengths side by side. Omega-3. Flax wins here with higher alpha-linolenic acid content. Fiber. Chia takes the lead, way more per serving. Protein. They're almost tied, but flax has a slight edge. Antioxidants and hormone support. Flax seeds are the champion thanks to their lignins. Hydration and digestive health. Chia wins hands down. So, which one should you eat? Here's the real answer: why not both? If you're looking for heart-healthy omega-3 and hormone balance, flax seeds are a great choice. Just make sure to grind them. If you're looking for more fiber in your diet, better hydration, and smoother digestion, chia seeds might just be your new best friend. Just 2 tablespoons of chia gives you around 11 grams of fiber. That's over a third of what most adults need in a whole day. This kind of fiber does 2 amazing things: it keeps you feeling full for longer, and it helps keep everything moving down there, if you know what I mean. It's like nature's gentle broom for your digestive system. Chia seeds are famous for soaking up liquid. They actually help your body hold on to water longer. That's awesome if you're super active, live in a hot climate, or just forget to drink enough water during the day. It's kind of like drinking water, but smarter. If you like what you are hearing so far, please write a comment and subscribe to support the growth of our community. And don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. And then there's digestion. Unlike flax seeds, you don't have to grind chia seeds to get their nutrients. Your body can break them down just fine, especially if you soak them first. That gel we talked about. It helps slow down digestion in a good way, keeping your blood sugar steady and giving your gut some love. They're also really gentle on your stomach, so even if your digestive system is on the sensitive side, chia's got you covered. So how do you use them? Super easy. Just stir them into your smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. Or soak them in water or plant milk to make a quick chia pudding. You can even toss them into baked goods or sprinkle them on top of your salad. They're tiny, but mighty. Bottom line, if you want to feel fuller, stay hydrated, and support your digestion, chia seeds are definitely worth keeping in your kitchen. The best part? You don't have to pick a winner. Mix them up. Add flax to your smoothies or oatmeal for that earthy, nutty flavor, and throw some chia into your water or pudding for that gel-like texture. At the end of the day, both flax seeds and chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, each offering unique benefits. But here's the thing: nutrition isn't about choosing one superfood and ignoring the rest. It's about balance and variety. If you're looking for heart-healthy omega-3, hormone support, and a nutty flavor, flax seeds are an amazing choice. Just remember to grind them up to unlock their full potential. On the other hand, if you want effortless digestion, hydration, and a fiber boost, chia seeds are the way to go. You don't even have to prep them, just sprinkle them into your meals or drinks and let them work their magic. But why stop at just one? The best approach is to combine them in your diet. Maybe you add flax to your morning smoothie for a brain boost and sprinkle some chia in your afternoon yogurt for long-lasting energy. The key is finding what works best for your body and lifestyle. And let's not forget the bigger picture: no single food will transform your health overnight, but consistently making small, nutrient-packed choices like adding flax and chia seeds to your diet. That's where the real power lies. Over time, these tiny seeds can support your digestion, boost your energy, improve your heart health, and keep you feeling your best. So, instead of asking, which one is better? Ask yourself, how can I get the best of both? Experiment with them, have fun with your food, and enjoy the benefits they bring to your health. Want to learn more about the healing power of foods? Check out our other videos on nutrient-rich diets, superfoods, and natural remedies. Together, we're building a healthier, happier future. Thank you for watching.